Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ciao a tutti, sono Daniele and welcome into this new video. Today we are going to talk about the most common words in Italian. So you will be able to use all these words into your Italian conversation, and they are gonna be useful in every way. I think these are just 10 most common, but of course there are many much more. But don't waste time and let's start. So the first word, of course, is ciao, that in Italian means hello. And when you want to introduce yourself with an Italian, you of course need to use this word. Of course, it's not a professional word, it's just conversational. You can use with these friends, with the family, but you can't use this word for a job meeting, for example. So the word is ciao and means hello. Then, of course, maybe a word you have already heard before, and it's love, that in Italian is amore. So if you love someone, you can say ti amo. So amore, it's a really common word in Italian. Then we have another word that is really close to the one we have seen before, that is happiness, and in Italian is felicità. So if you want to say I am happy, you can say sono felice. Then of course we can skip into a word that is maybe the most common one and that is used all around the world. So it's mamma, that is our mom. In Italian, mom, it's mamma, and you can use it to talk about your mother and in a kind way. The same word for your dad, it's papa. Maybe you have already heard it. So if you want to say father in a really kind way, you can say papa, and in Italy everybody is going to understand you. Then a really common word that show your happiness is smiling. So how do we say I'm smiling? Sto sorridendo. So if sorridere means smiling, and you can use this word when you want to smile and share your happiness to everybody. Well, of course, another word that is gonna be really useful in Italy, it's talking about an Italian itself. So how's the word Italian? Well, Italian is Italiano. So if you want to speak with an Italian person, or you want to ask if they know Italian, you can say parli l'italiano. Then of course we have the word that probably you're gonna use the most. So thank you, and in Italian is Grazia. When you want to thank to somebody for anything, this word it can be used in every situation. So you can use grazie also in a professional meeting or just to a friend. This word doesn't change. So as you can imagine, if you want to say no in Italian, it's no. So the word is the same than in English. But if you want to say yes, we have to use sì. So yes in Italian it's sì. Then we have our 10th and last word for today's video, that is the way we use to say hi to somebody when we are leaving. So the word is arrivederci, and it can be used both for formal than informal situations. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something more about the Italian language. Try to memorize these 10 words because you will need way much more to learn Italian. That's a beginning, that's a start. You can start from these 10 words. I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video and follow me on Instagram, and see you next time.